Follow these steps to fix Snapchat Add Friends not working. First, check your internet connection. To do that, launch your Settings app. Navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Then you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, restart your Snapchat. First, launch it. Then, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, close your Snapchat and again relaunch it. Next up, update Snapchat. To do that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Snapchat. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, Snapchat allows a maximum of 5,000 friends. If you have reached this limit, you won't be able to add more friends. Likewise, check if you have been blocked or restricted. If someone has blocked you, you won't be able to add them. Next up, check the server status of Snapchat. To do that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website down detector. Now search for the app Snapchat. If you found any outages for the Snapchat, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. Next thing you want to do is completely delete Snapchat and again reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the Snapchat, click on Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete, and then launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Snapchat, and then install it. If none of these solutions work, what you can do is launch your Snapchat, navigate to the profile page, click on the settings icon given at the top right, scroll all the way down, navigate to the option I need help. Now click on the option Help Center. Now scroll down, click on the option Contact Us. Select the option I found a bug. Still need help? Click on Yes. Was not working. You can select the option Snapchat is crashing. When does this happen? Select the option When I try to use a particular feature. You can select the option Chats. Now you have to fill out this form. Type in your Snapchat username, email address, phone number that is linked with your account, device in which you are using Snapchat. Then type in when did you start having this issue. Likewise, you are also able to add this screenshot. And over here you have to describe in brief about the issue that you are unable to add friends and then submit it. By following these steps, you should be able to add friends on Snapchat. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.